So you finally finished cleaning that mess that's been driving you crazy, but now your drill brush is dirty. How do you clean a drill brush? You could get a 2-inch brush to clean your original, but luckily there's a better way. Our brushes are easy to clean with running water and a little soap. If your sink has a spray head, using it will remove the grime faster and easier. You can even clean our brushes in the dishwasher. Just be sure to dry the shaft thoroughly to prevent rusting. To dry, either let your brush air dry, or you can put the brush back in the drill and fling some of the water off outside, in a sink, or in a tub. If you use this method, make sure you have the drill angled properly to prevent water from splattering. Storing drill brush afterwards is easy. To prevent the bristles from bending, simply store them neatly and without large objects on top of them. For long-term storage, look no further than the packaging your drill brush products came in. Return the brush to the blister pack or box when the job is done. If you do that, your drill brush will have a longer life and be ready for the next project. Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video is a part of our tips and tricks series for our drill brush demo page. If you want to see all the videos in this series, we have a link to the page in the description below. And all the videos will be in a playlist here. Thank you for watching, and happy scrubbing!